Hi Dolores! This is me, Dolor Laika. Papakilala ko sa inyo yung bagong product ngayon ni Ma'am Sammy, which is yung ating fashion belt. Itong bagong product natin, Dolores, is corset type na and waist trainer. And sure ako na bagay sa inyong OOTDs.
Yes.
And this fashion belt, Dolores, meron siyang lace sa unahan, 3 garter straps sa gilid, and then 1 zipper sa likuran para mas madali nyong masuot yung fashion belt natin. And meron tayong 4 available colors sa ating fashion belt, Dolores. Meron tayong pink, skin tone, white, and then black. And available yan for all sizes. Extra small, small, medium, large, and extra large. And for only 1,199 pesos, Dolores, magkakaroon ka na ng Sammy J Fashion Belt. And yun lang, Dolores. Kita-kits tayo sa next video. Bye-bye!